that thing rolling? Of course it is. Alright. I'm going to do a small batch. I'm going to do 2 batches of orders that are currently showing up. And from there, I will be able to go out and pick these orders, and then they will populate in our shipping software. Tell me my batch has been generated and is ready to go. So now I get to go pick it. And I'll bring them all back over here. So now after the batch is generated, I go into our tab for goods out notes and batches, and then choose the batch that I'm wanting to go pick. This one is pretty simple, 2 items out of bulk 1. Let me go grab my harness because I gotta be safe or I'll fire myself. So when we go out to pick, this is typically what we use when we get into the racks, once we get all our stuff into the racks. I like to use a big sturdy platform for everybody to pick on. 60 by 60 polyurethane, it's almost impossible to crack these. So that when we have somebody out here picking, I want to make sure they have a sure, stable platform for good footing. So, right, I'm going to run and grab these real quick. And I'll be right back. This screen will tell me what item is I need to pick, what SKU. In this case, it's Cat 6 Riser Blue 1K pull box. It'll tell me what location I'm picking from, and as I scan it, this will turn green to let me know that A, I've got the right item, and B, the quantity necessary has been fulfilled for picking. So I'll go and do that real quick. Back to the desk. Whoosh. So for this part, I'm going to bring the tablet with me. Once this stuff is picked, we always verify what we're packing out by scanning it, and it'll tell me what order I need to get into. All right, so now I'm going to go ahead and scan this item. Oh, you're loud! So, let me go ahead and get all this shipped. A lot of times when we have stuff like this, the parameters are already memorized. So if we have a box of this that's going to go out, all we have to do is make sure that the shipping parameters or the service is correct. So this one's going to go out UPS ground and tells me what box it's going to be. It's going to be a large trueCABLE box. So all I have to do is verify that it's the right product, print out my packing list, and then go ahead and buy my shipping. Don't have to weigh it, not this particular one anyway. Don't have to put it on the scale, don't have to weigh it, all the information's already there. So now I have my shipping label, and that, all I gotta do is box it up, and it is ready to go. Inside. Can't see that, that's not loud. It's so pretty, it's ready to go now to this fine customer who will love this cable.
Love it.
And that is the outbound shipping process.